Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have 2 Velo boxes, so let's get into it and check it out. Today I have 2 Velo boxes. You guys know we fell a little behind, we're catching up, and I thought about doing my November and doing my December later, and we are really close to Christmas now, and I wanted my December candle because I suspect it's gonna smell like Christmas. So we're just gonna jump right in and check these out. If you are new to Vellabox, Vellabox is a candle subscription. It is an Artisan candle subscription, and it is clean candles. They are phthalate free, paraben free, cotton wicks. They do all of the good things. Each month you receive this lovely box. It comes in 3 different sizes you can pick. When you open it up, this is what mine looks like. This is the largest of the 3 candle subscriptions. The beauty of this is I have a code, Kathrin 50, and with that code, and I will put the link below, you will get 50% off your first month subscription regardless of which size candle you choose. This box is sent to me for review, so they give us that nice code. This is All Is Calm, All Is Bright. We're gonna set that aside. Let's open this one up because I bet All Is Calm, All Is Bright is my December candle. This one says, home is not a place, it's a feeling. And that is what that looks like. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is the November box. Each month, in addition to your candle, you will get a bonus present and you will get a card that tells you the featured maker and the featured bonus information. Our bonus brand in the November box is this, and it says Essence 1, and this is, what is it? What is it? It is Morning Calm Hand Lotion, and it says keep dry skin at bay this winter with this creamy moisturizing lotion. The Morning Calm scent has a combination of spearmint, bergamot, mint, and patchouli to help relax and recenter. Pure essential oils deeply soothe and replenish the natural oils of the skin. Your skin will feel hydrated without feeling greasy or oily after applying. Let's see what this smells like. It says hand and body lotion on here. Oh, it smells good. Oh, the spearmint is definitely coming through. I love that. That smells good. You know what? I guess I could put the lid back on and do it, right? I was just gonna squeeze it right out of here. So how are you guys doing? Are you ready for the holidays? I know Hanukkah started last night. We're in the home stretch for Christmas. Oh, it's nice and thick. Can you guys see how thick that is? Oh, it smells good. It has a nice minty smell to it, but the other things that are in it do kind of calm that mint scent down. It smells delightful. Oh, I like that a lot. And now I have it on my nose. It's good, I like it. That was our bonus item for November. And then we have our candle, and it comes each month in one of these canvas sacks. Sometimes it has a decoration on it, sometimes it's plain. There are a million things you can do with it. It's great. Just happen to know because here we are at Christmas. It's great for wrapping up gift cards in. You could just slip your little gift card in it, and then you can tie this up and put another ribbon on it if you like, or do whatever you want. If you were fancy and you did any kind of decoration, you could even do like puffy paints, or I'm sure there are people far cleverer than I out there doing fantastic things with these. This candle is Sunday's Child, and it's called Bookish. I love the dark lid. Sometimes we get brown ones like this one back here. This one was Introvert, and it had a gold lid. A lot of times these have gold lids. I like this black lid vibe. That is really cool. Okay, let's get into it. See if I can work out what it smells like. Oh, it's on very tight. I just hand lotioned. Note to self. Oh, that's nice. It smells like, oh, what does that smell like? It smells good. I want to say man, but I don't want you to think man. It doesn't smell like a man person smells. It smells like a man room smells. Wow, I'm good at this. It's it's subtle, but it's sexy. I like that a lot, and I cannot begin to tell you what scents have made that lovely scent. Let me tell you. Leather, tobacco leaf, patchouli, caramel, and musk. I mean, I think I pretty much nailed sexy man. I think it's interesting it has the flower on it. Not that it's masculine. I'm totally burning this. I'm just saying. It says, grab your favorite read and light this one while you get lost in the story. With every turn of the page, you'll be comforted by the sweet, smoky, smooth blend. I agree. I think sweet, smoky, and smooth is a great way of describing this. And next to it, it says bookish, sweet, and spice. I totally agree. smell it one more time. Yeah, I like that a lot. We're gonna move on to our December box. Something else that I haven't mentioned in a while is when you go over and you sign up for your Vellabox, they ask you a questionnaire. And it's all about your favorite things, your favorite scents. I think they even ask you about food, about flavors, and they really drill down and get to know you because each month there are different choices and they wanna pick the one that's perfect for you. Okay, December. This is what our canvas looks like. So it has, can you guys see the lines on it? So it just has a little something, something going on. We have our paperwork and our bonus prize. It's a bonus prize. Our bonus brand, our bonus present. This is Doe a Deer. That is really cute. It looks like the world's smallest shower cap. It's not, it's just fabric. I'm sure it's gonna be a bowl cover, but doesn't it look cute like a little shower cap for a baby? Well, now I have that visual in my head. This says, mini bowl cover, $12 value. Say goodbye to pesky plastic wrap and keep your leftovers cozy with this cute little bowl cover. Perfect for cereal bowls, soup bowls, and small loaf pans. This cover is machine washable and made of 100% cotton fabric. The perfect way to add a touch of warmth to your kitchen this holiday season. Yes, I like that. It would be perfect for the holiday season, but it's just green. Actually, it's more of an olive green than a Christmassy green. There's nothing about this that is a commitment to Christmas. It is not lined. You know, a lot of times when you see these in fabric, and I've had a couple of them, they're lined with either like a waxy substance or plastic. This is just cotton, but it is nice and thick. So I'm sure it would wash up probably better than some of the others that we've received. Let's dig into our candle. Right here at the holidays, I just know it's gonna have a holiday scent. Ooh, gingerbread house. And it says olive and pine. I don't know if that's the scents or the brand. I'm guessing it is the brand. So this one is the brown jar. I like all of them. Olive and Pine is the brand, and they are in Staten Island, New York. Did I tell you that each month, I feel like I did at the beginning, but let's hit on that again. Each month they work with a different artisan candle maker. This is Olive and Pine. They're in Staten Island. The one we just saw for November, that bookish one, that was from Sunday's Child, and they are in Brewster, New York. So these two happen to be in New York. But I love that they work with different artisan candle makers each month. It gives us such a variety. It smells like a gingerbread house. I wonder what gingerbread house smells like. It smells like a gingerbread house. It's so nice. It's a cross between gingerbread house and vanilla icing. I cannot wait to see how this burns because I can definitely smell the ginger under there, and I love ginger. They say it is ginger, sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, and nutmeg, reminiscent of nostalgic times spent baking with the family during the holiday season. Like a delicious dessert, this scent is sure to bring a sense of warmth and joy to your home this winter. And this is also sweet and spice. So you can almost tell how I would fill out my survey. I like sweet and spice. I like the gourmand flavors. Okay, let's get the other one back out. These are both considered sweet and spice. This smells like food. It smells like a gingerbread house with vanilla, icing on it. It's lovely. I'm gonna go burn that right this minute. And this is just so completely different. This smells kind of like, have you ever walked into an antique shop and they've been burning a candle and it has smelled so good, but behind that there's like books, not musky, not musty, but maybe musky. Musky, not musty. It's just a warm, like they said, sit down, light the candle, read a book. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I have waxed poetic enough about the candles. I really enjoy this candle subscription, and I love, and I say this month after month, and it's because I mean it, I love that I know that when I'm burning these candles, if the kids come by, not that my own health doesn't matter, post-pandemic, I don't know what words I can say on here, you do become more aware of what you're breathing in because, you know, there's more coughing and stuff. I just love that these candles don't have any of the toxins in them. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I can answer them, I will. If I cannot, I will find out the answers for you. I will put the link and my affiliate code, Kathrin50 below. It will get you 50% off any size subscription box you choose. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you again really soon, I hope. Bye, guys.